Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports, and what you guys are looking at right now is a progress video of this '05 Jeep Wrangler TJ Rubicon. This has been a long build for us, brand new motor, pretty much every single component on this Jeep, from driveline to motor to interior to suspension to steering, accessories, it's all brand new. It is a Kevlar finish. We have a charcoal gray finish, black accent pieces, Rubicon Express long arm suspension. And if you see stuff that's not hooked up all the way, this is, like I said, this is a progress video. Fox reservoir shocks all the way around. Those aren't mounted yet. We're going to have this mounted somewhere on the perch up there or on the frame. This right here is a Davis AutoSports exclusive wheel that we just came out with. We teamed up with American Racing, ATX. And you can only get this wheel through Davis AutoSports. Been working on that wheel for about 5 months now. All top of the line accessories, ARB, worn synthetic, Factor 55 Pro Link, all black LED lighting, rigid industry hood vent, fully functional, truck light LED headlights. It's gonna have full custom interior on it. We are in the shop, so it does get a bit noisy in here. We have the black Kevlar hardtop, full tire carrier. We'll have two LED 4-inch lights there, which will have their own toggle switch and come on automatically if requested by with reverse. ARB diff covers all the way around. All the brakes are new. Take a peek in there. New rotors, calipers, pads on all 4 corners. Up front, we have the 1 ton getting powder coated right now, so ignore the factory suspension or steering. It's all going to have 1 ton setup. We already have the extreme duty track bar. All the exhaust is all brand new. Intake, high flow intake, headers, full exhaust. I mean, this thing is rigged up to the core. Nowhere near done with it. Just wanted to give you guys a progress video. Like I said, we're looking at a 4 to 6 weeks completion date, and we will post a full listing then. Thank you.